Ignite India Education, India's largest online design, architecture, and fine arts entrance exam preparation platform. In this video, we will be discussing about NIFT UG program Accessory Design, which is 4-year degree. Accessory Design program prepares design professionals with embedded fashion knowledge to offer innovations across myriad platforms spanning jewelry, crafts, personal accessories, soft goods, and work gear. Accessory Design program is a career-based education that is relevant today and has the ability to address the changing future scenario. Majors Accessory Design Majors provides extensive design knowledge in a socially relevant fashion scenario. Knowledge is enhanced with conceptual understanding of design as a process, material as a medium, and ability to synthesize outcomes, enabling them to address the contemporary needs. The program offers the millennial students to perfect the design process through a balance of latest chic trends and a passion for handcrafted artisanal products and process. Students are creatively engaged in developing visualization skills with greater degree of digital fluency. They stand empowered with material manipulation skills with an indigenous edge of traditional techniques. Students are enabled to articulate their individuality through their signature style accessory design collections, yet keeping it relevant to the market and industry challenges. This design collection of eclectic fashion lifestyle accessories are based on patterns stemming from a synergy of forms, colors, and materials. Deepening specializations, DS, accessory design students are empowered with a choice of deeper learning with of specific skills in form of deepening specialization that constitutes of jewelry design, fashion products, and work gear. Student can make conscious choice of any one deepening specialization. This process ID well supported by the department faculty mentor attached to every student throughout his learning in campus. DS1 Jewelry design students gain an in-depth understanding of the jewelry domain knowledge in terms of product, people, and functioning. Students are equipped with traditional and technical skills in jewelry making. Students are enabled to design fashion jewelry collection with contemporary aesthetics and position them in the fashion space. DS2 Fashion Products and Work Gear. The program offers the millennial students to perfect the design process through a balance of latest chic trends and a passion for handcrafted artisanal products and process across the conventional fashion accessory spectrum. Students gain an in-depth understanding of the fashion accessory category knowledge in terms of fashion, form, and function. Students get proficiency in traditional and technical skills in creating the accessories. Students attain fluency in terms of material and process that is built on explorative experience. Students are capable to design fashion accessory collection with contemporary aesthetics and position in the fashion space. DS3 Decor and Design. Decor and Design. Students understand space and visualization with an opportunity mapping in living space, bedroom, and bathing luxury accessories. They get the sense aesthetic and ornamentation opportunity application in the living space segment. They get to explore the making process and products with mixed media, thereby knowing the nuances of manufacturing and making of fine dining products. Design an eclectic artifact with respect to the context and design products that are in sync with environment. Career pathways. Accessory design students are empowered to design their combinational pathways to enter future careers with transferable skills and flexibility. Few of the career pathways envisaged are accessory design, jewelry design, decor design, design thinking, designing ideation and concept development, design researcher, fashion trend consultation, accessory design solutions for both international and domestic markets. Craft-based product design, design futures, etc. Students have a choice to work for both corporates and international business. But students are embedded with design thinking methods and a combination of business know-how that triggers them to start accessory design their own design business. During the process of learning, they are exposed to an array of possibilities and promising business directions. The opportunities are right there in front of them, clearly giving a kickstart to their entrepreneurial cravings. In the past, many of them have established prominent design ventures.